3, 2, 1.
She's setting it off by this little rope.
Hey, I found the boat over there.
You need to show me your paddle.
When you paddle, I found it over there in the box. My daddy found this one. Here's my other paddle.
It's a frying pan.
This is my lifesaver. If this thing goes down, because it's held together with duct tape.
Okay.
Duct tape.
Get in, hurry up. Taking
I
forever.
use this to save my life. Alright, take it off real quick. Robin,
Cast off.
Oh crap.
Okay, well maybe if you didn't make it all impossible. Cast off, go! Yeah, I see boxers.
Shut up!
Come on, mate, you can take it.
You can do it! Oh, nice! I love that. Oh, man, no. The waves are dangerous today. Is he gonna be able to make it? I don't think so. Oh, the water's kind of cold. Go, Nito, you can do it!
Turn the other way. Nito, so you're not by your duct tape.
Yeah, your big old butt's gonna drown the duct tape.
Come on, mate.
He found this raft over there in those bushes.
You want me to push you?
And he took this big old trail over there.
Should I go on my knees?
Nito, do you want
I
me
can
to push
barely
you?
sit up.
Do you wanna get-
This thing over here is drowning. I'm gonna kill the boat.
Do you want us to push you out to sea?
Shut up!
You want me to push you? Okay, Nikki, I'm done.
It's
Don't drop
leaking
your
in
camera.
the
Go
back.
over there. No.
Hold it.
No.
No. Hold on, I gotta get in.
Just push off the floor. You can do it, man.
Come on, mate. You can do it.
10 minutes later.
Shut up, Jackie.
Oh. And that's made for more than one person? I don't think so. Oh, Violet. Oh, he's broke! He's drowning in the water!
Damn it! Sorry.
He goes.
Hold on, I got my lucky number 2.
Oh, look, he got his frying pan now.
I ain't going nowhere. Quit.
Oh, 2 feet from the shore. This just push you.
Shut up! You're gonna push me out to sea.
Exactly. Where are you trying to go?
Go back in line.